Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your earbuds LG TONE Free if your device doesn't have a Bluetooth module. And firstly, your device should have a mini jack port. So I'm going to show you on my phone because it have this port, but you can also connect it to your PC. And if you haven't a Bluetooth module, you will use it without it. Then you need also USB-C to mini jack cable, what you receive in the package. Connect mini jack cable to your device, and at the back side of your earbuds, of the charging case, we have USB-C port, so connect USB-C cable right at this port. After that, open the charging case and remove your earbuds from the charging case. Put it to your ears, and after that, at the left side, there's some switch. You need to move it to the right, and you need to see this green background at this slider. And now you can listen to music or watching a movie with it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.